Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm so excited. We are going to do this beautiful hair look. It's one of my favorite looks. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to the gym. It's all about the after effect after you braid and how you loosen it up and use your accessories. So I love this look, so stick around and I'm going to show you how I do it. Alright, so I have a little bit of curl in my hair. You don't actually need any curl, and so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to part it down the middle or the side. I like to do a little bit of a deeper part since it's all going to be on one side. So I'm going to go ahead and flip everything over. We can do a dress up little hair look, so if you like to pull it back nice and slick, you can go ahead and kind of pull everything over out of the way. So my hair comes to right here. So my hair is a little bit long. It used to be really short and it's growing out now. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab a part up here, just a thin little piece. If you already know how to braid, then this braid will be super easy for you. If you do not know how to braid, hopefully I can break it down for you to where it's easy. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cross them over. We're gonna do a French braid. So the back one is going to go over to the middle, and then the front one is going to switch places. So now we have them all in their positions. So we're gonna go ahead and grab hair and add it to the part that is closest to my face, and then in the back we're gonna go ahead and add hair to the back piece. So everything is still in their three positions. So then we're gonna grab the front one over the top, and then we're gonna grab, or that was the back one, and grab the front one over this way. And don't worry about holding it too tight. You can just kind of loosen it up. The tightness of me holding it is just so I can get a good braid. So then we're gonna grab hair to the front, and then we're gonna add hair to the back, and then we will cross them over. So we're gonna grab to the front, grab to the back, add more hair. It's all about how your fingers work and how you can hold the strands in the proper order that they need to. And then we're gonna grab hair to the back piece. And don't worry about grabbing perfect sections. As long as they make it in the strand, it's going to be a very loose braid, so we're gonna end up pulling it out anyways. So I just like to have it look nice up here in the front part. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the hair all the way on the side and bring that all the way across. So your hair is going to be brought all the way from this side all the way over, and you're gonna add it to the strand. We're gonna bring it over the top, bring the one closest to my face over the top, and do the same thing. I'm going to grab a bigger section on this other side so it matches. We're going to keep it nice and loose. We get to the bottom, go ahead and braid it down. This is where I take the little trick of not tying it so tight or tying the braids in place. You're gonna take your ponytail. If you have smaller elastics, those are a lot better. This is the one I use every day. as a main ponytail. This is just what I have on hand. So we're going to, so here's the end of it. We're going to tie it up here. I'm going to tie it around a few times. So you have about this much hanging out. I just don't want my hair to fall out. So we're going to tie this off nice. And then see how the braids are really tight? We're going to go ahead and pull this down the ponytail. So we're going to pull it down like that. You can see the braids kind of falling out. Now we're going to pull it apart. You could leave it like this and have it nice and tight on one side. This is the braid. So now we're just going to pull everything out. Just give it a little bit of volume. I have very thin, very fine blonde hair, natural blonde hair, and I have the hardest time getting any volume, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this fall out. I love a messy look. It's gonna get messy anyways. I work with kids. My hair is always a hot mess. So we're just gonna pull it out a little more. I like it to be kind of loose, and it just kind of lets the wind naturally let it. It looks like I've had the window down and it's just kind of falling out. And there you go. It's so pretty, it's out of my face, it's not a regular Dutch braid or a French braid. You just kind of pull it to the side, it looks nice and elegant, lays on your shoulder nicely, and there you go. You can add some jewels, some bobby pins, pin back your hair. I've done this so many times that I'm okay with how the back of it looks. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more hair tutorials just like this one. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!